watch these three movies that I'm going to recommend in this video. If you watch these movies, you will improve your English communication skills super fast. So I would like to request you before starting the video, if you are watching me first time, make sure to subscribe this channel right away. And if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Now, without any delay, let's get into the video. So my first recommendation is The Pursuit of Happiness. The Pursuit of Happiness. This is the movie that I watched in 2020 in lockdown period, and honestly it was one of the best movie I have ever watched throughout my journey of learning English. And this is the reason I want to recommend you, because if you watch this video, the English is really simple in this video. You will find yourself understanding each and everything that is going on in the movie. So you must watch this video. It is easy to understand, simple sentence structures, and the pronunciation is super easy to understand that is used in this movie. So you will be understand each and everything if you watch this movie, while you can improve your English. Additionally, you can take amazing, powerful life lessons from this movie. So it is my first recommendation, The Pursuit of Happiness. Now moving to the next one, and that is Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump. Well, this movie is really nice and it is specially designed for beginner. The easy English is used in this movie again, and super easy to follow conversations. You can understand all the conversations used in this movie, and it is really helpful for daily life English. You will find yourself learning some daily English vocabulary, daily English sentence structures. So for daily English improvement, this movie is amazing one. You must watch Forrest Gump. Now moving to the next one. Now the last but not the least in this video, my third movie recommendation is The Intern. The Intern. Well, modern English of course used in this movie, but it is really useful. You will learn natural English if you watch this movie, and you will learn amazing vocabulary, especially workplace vocabulary. So if you are working profession, it is must watch movie for you, and you are also English learner. So these are the three recommendations from my side for you guys. If you are learning English language, if you watch any one of these, you will find yourself learning so many things in this language, and similarly you can improve your English communication skills. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want to recommend something, you can again share it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next.